supposed to be doing?
Get the egg from the basket in the van.
So it's an Easter egg hunt game kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Gonna be sick.
Go! Move, come on, move, guys. Move, come on. Change your bags. 1 minute left. One egg left. We got 1 minute and 1 egg. Come on. Watch that right window. One down. We got most of them. Good job, guys. Nice holding us off. Good job, guys. Nice. Good game, guys. Woo! Woo!
Pretty long. If you don't get here immediately, I'm going to be very mad.
Woo! Tell me where you're from.
From LA.
From LA, and what other fields have you played at?
Tax City, Jericho, and yeah.
Hey, Pretty Wong, come to CQB City.
What's your name and where are you from?
LA.
LA, thank you for coming out, appreciate it, bro. So you played at other fields down there, right? Awesome. So this is your first time in CQB City.
Yep.
What do you think so far?
It's fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, you looking forward to more games?
Yes, I am.
Cool. All right. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. I'm glad you're enjoying your day.
Down, Art. Learn it from me. I'm going to get myself out.
Cameraman. Don't focus on me, man. I got a camera. I love that pat.
Go.
Oh, there you go. Oh. Love that. That was
Awesome. So, Coffer, where are we today, right now?
Oh man, we're here at CQB City. We're having a lovely Easter.
Yeah? With all these eggs and stuff like that.
Yeah, we got a bunch of eggs. Now we're ready for the next game.
All right, Mr. Easter Bunny. That's a lot. Damn. And they're all camo too. What the heck? Let's go! Ah! Ah! Ah!